Manual SAP license management isn't scalable, and it's costing you. If you're relying on spreadsheets and gut feel to track SAP usage, you're likely overspending and underutilizing. That's where SAP license management tools come in, like Snow, Flexera, or VOQUZ license control. These tools don't just count users. They analyze transaction history, flag inactive accounts, and even recommend license downgrades based on actual behavior. You can also simulate audit scenarios, track indirect usage, and monitor engine license metrics, all in real time. Think of it like having a virtual license compliance assistant running 24/7. We helped a global client implement automated user analysis. Within weeks, they found over 12% of their licenses were overassigned or unused, which translated to over $500,000 in potential savings at renewal. A one-time cleanup helps, but automation gives you continuous optimization. Redress Compliance helps you select and implement the right SAP license management tools and turn insights into real savings. Let's automate your license control strategy.